Governor Steve Sisolak announcing our statewide pause will continue through the start of next year. We do thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Sasha Loftus. The Ad-Team's David Charnes is live in the newsroom now with everything you need to know. So break it all down for us, David.
Well, Sasha, the governor making some big headlines here. He is extending our statewide pause and restarting an eviction moratorium. That pause going through January 15th at the earliest. Those are the restrictions limiting capacity at restaurants and casinos to 25%, and that eviction moratorium going until March of next year. Now, that allows people to stay in their homes as we all continue to deal with this pandemic. Now, this all comes as cases, hospitalizations, and deaths continue to rise here in southern Nevada. They are actually higher now than they were 3 weeks ago when the pause started. Governor Sisolak saying more restrictions could be put in place if things get worse.
But I need to be clear. If officials and experts agree that our trends are going beyond our ability to respond, I will be forced to come in front of you all again with tougher actions. I believe we can avoid those actions if we all commit to it.
Now, the governor also saying a shutdown is, quote, unrealistic. He blames Congress for not providing additional support and also says our families and neighbors need to have a place to stay and try to remain healthy. Now, we also talked about that COVID vaccine. It's on the way to us right now, and the governor expects first doses to get out tomorrow. I asked him what he would say to people who have to wait and what he'd say to those who don't want it.
The vaccine should be here tomorrow. And I would have no problem, whether it would be my mother, my sister, my kids, my wife, anyone getting the vaccine. I'm confident in the safety and the efficacy of the vaccines and would encourage people to take part and receive the vaccine.
And now, as we've reported, those in nursing homes and healthcare workers will get that vaccine first, likely in the next week. But otherwise, healthy adults may not get vaccinated until spring or summer. The governor is asking us to be patient and continue to do what we're doing until it is safe. Now, the governor also calling on Washington to give more help to us. He warned returning to a full stay-at-home order, sort of what we saw in the spring. He said he doesn't want to do that, and he said it would be, quote, as bad or worse than the Great Depression. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm David Charnes, 8 News Now.